So this is our left hand side in case you are wondering, and this is your right hand side. Okay, so here you have the same basis with a multiplication sign in between and your powers. We have a law of indices that says you pick the base and you add your powers due to the multiplication. So we have something like this. Also, if we want this to look like this, we'll do this. The law of indices says when you have 1 over a base to its power, you just bring the base and have a negative to its power. I hope you get it. In this way, we're able to break it down. So for this one, we have 3x plus 5x can be added together to give 8x. And we have 3 raised to the power of minus 4. So from here, you know the bases are equal, so you have to equate the base. So when you equate the base, they go and you are left with just your power. So in this case, you have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x in this case is 8. So you have 8x over 8 and minus 4 over 8. So 8 cancels 8. We're left with x equals 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So you have minus 1 over 2. Can somebody check if our value of x is correct and let us know? But remember from the previous classes, we're able to get that. Should we do that together? Okay, let's do it together. We have 3 raised to the power of 3, and they said x is 1 over minus 1 over 2 times. We have 3 raised to the power of 5, x is minus 1 over 2. So multiplying through, we have 3 times minus half is minus 3 over 2 times 3 times minus 5 times minus half is minus 5 over 2, right? And then the law of indices says you pick one base and you add your power. So we have 3 minus 3 over 2 minus 5 over 2, because plus times minus is. So let's do this up here. Minus 3 over 2 minus 5 over 2. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8, because we have the same base. We're left with minus 4. So you have 3 raised to the power of minus 4, which gave us 1 over 3 raised to the power of 4. Do you see? So let me give you a question while you tell me your answer in the comment section. So why not try this and let me know your answer in the comment section. Until next class, bye.